There are few adults and children in a garden. If 3/8 people are adults and there are 90 more children than adults, how many children are there in the garden? The question looks confusing, but it's not. Here, let the total number of people be x, means it includes adults and children both. So, adult is what? 3 upon 8 of the people are adult, means 3 upon 8 into x equals to adult. So, how many children would be there? X minus this 3x upon 8. So, children equals to x minus 3x upon 8. So, solve this. It becomes 5x upon 8. So, children are now 5x upon 8. But what is given next? There are 90 more children, means 90 children more, means adults, children minus adult. This difference is 90. So difference equals to c minus a equals to 5x by 8 minus 3x by 8 equals to 2x by 8. So solve this, you get x by 4. So difference is x by 4. But it is given what? The difference is 90. So x by 4 equals to 90. So x equals to what? Cross this. So x equals to 94. So x equals to 90 into 4, 360. So we want children now. Children are what? 5x by 8. So 5 into 360 by 8. So it becomes 220. Got it? Solve it yourself. You need